Hello everyone, guys. This is session number 6 of our OOPS playlist. Here we'll understand what is polymorphism, why it's so important for us in our OOPS concept, and how we can achieve this polymorphism in our Java implementation. Right? Yes. So guys, let's understand with definition first. So guys, what is polymorphism? So guys, polymorphism in Java is a concept by which we can perform a single action, single task in different ways. What guy? We can perform a single action in different ways. Also guys, we can understand, so polymorphism is derived from two Greek words, right? That is poly and morphism. Poly means guy many, morphism is guy forms. So one action, one task can perform in different ways. So guys, see, let's understand with some example. Guys, you can see here one boy is there, right? So guys, see, this boy can behave sometimes as a student. This boy can behave sometimes as a player. This boy can behave sometimes as a writer. This boy can behave sometimes as a brother as well. Okay? Just like some other example, we can take one water. So the water guy sometimes it's behave as a solid, sometimes it's behave as a liquid, sometimes it behave as a gas. That is a polymorphism. One action can behave indifferently in different ways. Guy. Yes or no? I hope you understood, guy. So you see, then how we can achieve polymorphism, guy? So we have two approach to get the polymorphism, to achieve the polymorphism. So first, guy, with the help of method overloading. So what is method overloading, guy? Suppose, guy, method overloading means, guy, in a same class, if you will have multiple method, more than one method with same name but different argument. That argument differently like what? Number of argument, sequence of argument, and types of argument. That is called method overloading. Then guy, what is method overriding? So guy, method overriding means what? It cannot be happen in same class. Guy, it can happen in two different class. Okay, that's name is guy overriding, right? And guy, but method name should be same. Method name should be same, but guys, same argument. The argument same in like what? Number of argument, sequence of argument, test of argument. In these three terms, guys, we can say if it is following, so we can say this is method overriding. And get most important things in method overriding, definitely you will have is a relationship, inheritance, because if you will have two class, only we can what? Establish the method overriding concept in our what? Java guy. So guys, that's the main thing. So with the help of method overloading, method overriding, we can achieve polymorphism. That's it, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any question, any concern, please do me comment. I will reply your comment, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.